So this is the Harbor Freight titanium 150 amp spool gun. Brand new, got it like 3 days ago or something. And the issue I'm having is that I pull the trigger and let go and the wire keeps coming out. And this is without welding, with welding. I'll fire the machine up. It's a little loud, that's why I didn't before. Well, now it's not doing it. Ground clamp helps. See how it kept feeding? I've done a lot of research, and tech support isn't open till probably Tuesday because it's July 4th weekend. And they're only open Monday through Friday. The closest store is an hour away. I know fuel's real cheap right now. If you have any ideas, please leave a comment. Thank you.